Handing down some wisdom for you guys attending career fairs. I'm an EE with about 5 years in at a large utility. Some of this may be common sense, but I'm a grumpy pants and want to rant a little bit too. First off, dress nice. I honestly think suit and tie is overkill for a career fair, but business casual at a minimum. What you ask us is way more important. I'm gonna give you the generic go away response if you just straight up ask me for an internship right out of the gate. Do the bare minimum research. I used to literally just Google the company and ask about whatever project is on their website. Like above, don't start with "Are you hiring interns?" Yes, that's why I am here, and 90% of the tables will tell you to apply online. Instead, ask about what projects we're working on and what my favorite IEEE topic is. My go-to question is, "Hi, I'm interested in such and such, but I also want to continue to develop my portfolio. As an engineer working for blank, what kind of opportunities do you have to develop professionally?" And I'll talk about the kind of goals I set, continuing education, committees I'm on, etc. I'm also not a recruiter. I'm there to rep the company and talk about how cool engineering is. And it's the case for most companies there. So don't even ask about internships. If I like you, I will tell you how to apply. And if I don't, ask for advice when applying, like what the focus of my CV should be. If you show up wearing pajama bottoms and a suit top, I will clown on you. Also, don't be afraid to ask tough questions like what work-life balance, how often we travel. When it comes down to it, your decision is most important. And don't bother waiting in line for the huge tech companies like Tesla with their big dick measuring contest in the corner. When it comes down to it, it's your decision where you want to work, and you should know your worth. You finished engineering school, that's a huge accomplishment, and don't let anyone take advantage of you. Also, GPA doesn't matter. If you're asked about it, go to the next company. GPA does not equal work ethic. Talk about your accomplishments and what you're involved in. Chances are your communication skills are more important.
Yeah, so I think that's pretty good advice. Let's kind of go through it. So he says, dress nice. Yeah, I'd say just if you're a dude, a shirt and pants, button-down shirt and pants. If you're a girl, blouse and pants, button-down shirt and pants, and you can do like a skirt as well. I'm not as versed in female fashion, but I need to become more familiar with what the female version of business casual is. So I'll do some research on that. But yeah, don't start off with "Are you hiring? Are you hiring internships?" I would say that, "Hey, I've applied to XYZ internship. Here's my resume. Do you have any feedback? Anything I should update on my resume? Anything I should focus on in my CV that to make myself stand out better for this resume? Do you know what the people in this program do? What would I learn from it? What would I get out of it? Are there anything I can do to increase my likelihood of getting in?" I mean, I don't know if you asked that one, you can. But yeah, just say what kind of opportunities are there for professional development in your company? What kind of what's your day to day like? Those are all really good questions to ask. Asking, are you hiring interns? The answer is yes, as he said or they said. Uh, and saying which one should I apply for is not a good question. Come to them already having applied. That'll help make you stand out for sure. So um, yeah, it's really good advice. If you want to actually have a video on how to prepare for a career fair, you should go check it out if you haven't already. I will link it in the comments, called "How to Prepare for a Career Fair." I'm searching it right now. How to Prepare for a Career Fair. It's the 9-step ultimate guide on how to prepare for a career fair. And here it comes in the comments down here. You can watch it. You should watch it.
I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.